Alright people, this is your host Eric Estrada, and again we're here with another episode of Dorito's Sun Tattoo Reviews. Please make sure to hit like and subscribe to my channel so that you can get the best of tattoo reviews, tattoo equipment unboxings, everything. Alright, today we're going to be looking at the DK Lab New Generation DKW1. Alright, let's open it up and see what comes in the box. Immediately, we can see the DK Lab New DKW1, the machine, and the spare battery. We will remove the cardboard cover, and right here, we can immediately see the USB-C cable, and there it is, white USB-C cable for charging. The machine and the spare battery. Also, a whole bunch of replacement O-rings. Very useful, not stingy on the O-rings. That's a big plus. And the spare battery and the machine itself. Right here we can see it. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. And as we can see, it has a light system that indicates where the voltage is. And as you can see, it goes up by 1. On this side is 0.1, and on this side is 1.0 volts. Okay. And it'll go all the way up to 11.9 and all the way down to 4. And we have just turned on the machine. All right. And we could hear it. I love the way this machine sounds. At 7 volts, you can barely hear it and or feel it. Okay. I love the way that battery connects. As you see, it'll go ahead and get put in and then locked. All right. We can spin the grip right here to go ahead and take a good look at the machine. Let's see how it looks without the grip, but I love how that grip feels. Very greasy and all the outside. That's nothing. I'll go ahead and clean it up. I don't think these machines need all of this grease on the outside. There's no real reason for it. Just where it goes. And that right there concludes the unboxing of the DKW1 Pro New. Okay, so go ahead, hit like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the new one.